To check number of the week throughout the year, use WEEKNUM function. WEEKNUM function returns the number of the week throughout the year. Active this cell. In Formulas tab, Function Library group. Click Date and Time arrow button. Move down, click WEEKNUM function. The function arguments dialog box opens. This is the name of function. This function adds two arguments. In serial number box, type the dates. Return type box determines the week start day. You can see here, this function returns the week number in the year. Select the date in serial number box. Now, if your week start day is Sunday, enter 1 in a return type box. Click OK. Function returns number of week in 2019 year is 5. If your week start day is Monday, type 2 in second argument. Click in formula bar, type 2. Press enter. Function returns number of week in 2019 year is 4. In this way, you can determine week number in the year.